Basic bacterial cell structure. Bacterial cells are between 0.3 and 5 micrometer in size. They have three basic forms: coxae, straight rods, and curved or spiral rods. Capsule. Many pathogenic bacteria produce extracellular enzymes to synthesize a polymer that forms a layer around the cell. This layer is called capsule. The capsule protects the bacterial cell from phagocytosis. Cell wall of bacteria. The bacterial cell wall determines the shape of the cell. It is composed of peptidoglycan and lipopolysaccharides. Peptidoglycan is also known as moraine. Moraine is the most important structural element of bacteria, a net-like polymer material surrounding the entire cell. It is made up of polysaccharide chains cross-linked by peptides. Cytoplasm. Inside the cell membrane is the cytoplasm. It is semi-transparent and semi-fluid. It contains proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, ribosomes, nucleic acids, salts and inorganic ions, all dissolved in water. Glycocalyx. The loose layer of capsule is called glycocalyx. It contains a mass of tangled fibers of dextrin, a polysaccharide. These fibers help bacteria attach to the surface of the host. Nucleoid. The nucleoid is the region of cytoplasm where the chromosomal DNA is located. It is not a membrane-bound nucleus, but simply an area of the cytoplasm where the strands of DNA are found. Plasmids. They are extrachromosomal rings of DNA. Although they contain few genes and are not essential for bacterial growth. Plasmids are significant because many carry genes for drug resistance. For this reason they are often called R factors. They are very important in genetic engineering. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are bodies of RNA and protein. They are associated with the synthesis of protein. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is composed of phospholipids and proteins. It is basically a double layer of phospholipids with numerous proteins integrated into its structure. The membrane acts as a permeable barrier. Allow the molecules enter or leave the cell. Chemical composition. Proteins 60%, lipids 40%. Flagella. Flagella give bacteria the ability to move actively. The flagella are made up of a class of linear proteins called flagellans. Pilli. Pilli are shorter and thinner than flagella and function as attachment organs that promote specific cell-to-cell contact. Inclusion bodies. Globules of starch, glycogen or lipids in the cytoplasm are called inclusion bodies. They store nutrients for periods of starvation. Cell envelope. Some microbiologists combine the cell membrane, cell wall and capsule and term them cell envelope.